Here we're going to continue to go through our TMC. The next screen that we're going to go into is the hydraulic screen. Okay, when we go into the hydraulic screen, it's going to display for us each hydraulic remote and the percent flow available on each one. And I'll show you how we can go in and set that here momentarily. So this first function, we have it at 50% and 100%. The rest are all at 100. So again, on this one, we hit this top button, go in, and it'll give you the option, depending on how many valves you have on the tractor, it'll just display that many on here. So you could have up to 6. You can scroll and use the dial, or you can just hit the button that corresponds to the valve that you want to go to. So go to our number 1. You can adjust your max negative flow and your max positive flow independent of each other. Very important, especially when you're looking at, say, a planter application. Planter application, you may be right at the limit of your hydraulics, and you don't want to limit your up when you're lifting the planter because you need all those hydraulics. But when you're going down, that's a very high flow situation with very low pressure, so you might start robbing hydraulic oil from other functions on that planter, say like your vac motors, and then your seeds fall out of the plates. So being able to adjust this, both your positive and negative, can be very important in some situations. To adjust it, you simply select which one and you adjust it down, hit the button in, hit the check mark. The other thing you can do is tell it whether you want it to be a continuous flow or if you want to have it on a time delay. This button right here has the infinity sign. When that was the other way around, that's saying that that's continuous. Now we can put a kick out time in, so that if we know that it takes 6 seconds to lift our implement, we can just leave it at 6 seconds. Or maybe we're folding the wings and it takes us 20 seconds to fold it up. We can select that. That way when we hit the valve, it's going to pump oil out for 20 seconds and then it'll kick out. You can also record how long it takes, so you can push this button, do the function, it's counting, and when I let go, it's 6 seconds. So that'll do it automatically. And it's the same for each remote, so I won't go through any of the other ones.